Hello everyone, I'm Miss Darlene.
And I'm Miss Veronica.
And today we're going to make a growing rainbow using paper towels, markers, and water. First of all, we're going to take our paper towel and we're going to fold it. Maybe 1, 2, or 2 times. Let's fold it 2 times, and then we're going to color on the edge of our paper towel. Your favorite colors. One of mine is red, and let's see, I'm going to use a blue. And I'm going to use my very favorite color, and that's purple.
That's my favorite color.
Good color, good color. Okay. Once you finish coloring it, we are going to take it and we're going to place it in the water. Watch how rainbow grows.
Wow.
And it's growing. So what I need you boys and girls to do is let me know what colors are in the rainbow and how rainbow is formed. And watch our rainbow grow. Have fun.
Have fun. And this is the end of our rainbow growing. See the colors that are in there? Made very nice colors. So enjoy your rainbow.
Oh, at the end of our rainbow.